I have HTC Desire 8020 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's find and select the settings. Here we need to scroll down, and from the following options let's find and select language and keyboard. Here let's choose language from the top of the screen, and this is the list of available languages that you can use on this device. In my case, let me switch English, for example, to Polish, and as you can see right now I've got my Polish language on my device. To go back, let's tap language one more time and choose, in my case, English from United Kingdom, for example. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.